So now we are going to study about datetime module. Datetime module is used to display a date or time. The content all related to date and time. Using datetime module in Python, we can access it. So let's start it by importing it. Import date time. Okay. Now I'm interested to know what's current time. So for that, date time dot date time dot now. Okay, and I will store this all into one variable. That is my favorite variable p1. Okay, now let's try to print out current time. Okay, so I will do here p1 and control s and run it. So as you can see, I am able to get the current time and current date and time exactly. Okay, now apart from this, let's try to print out a current year. For that, I just need to add here year. Okay, and again control S and run 2020. Okay, now I'm interested to know which day is today. Okay, for that strf strft time. Okay, and percentage a and control S and let's run this. So today is Thursday. If I do here small a, this will write only Thursday in short form. Oh, it has written it in okay, I need to save it. Control S, and as you can see, it has written it in short form. Similarly, capital B is used to write about month, and it is continued till D. That means C also there. So here we have few examples of date time using. So here we have capital A. Capital A stand for displaying current date, day, which day is going on, and small a will display into a short form. Similarly, there is B, C, and D. So let's execute this program. Control S, and then we will run it. So as you can see, the B is going to be display display or print month, and C is going to be display or print about the current date, and D is going to display today's date. Not only for today's, if we are interested to know any date which was any date of previous year, so for that we will write that date like 13 dot 12 dot 2020 or 22. Okay, that's my birth date, and let's try to print this. Control S, and let's run this. Okay, here we have got error, and error is here. Control S, and okay, Control S. Hello everyone. The error was because of this dot. Actually, in place of this dot, we have to use a comma. Okay. And the format also little bit there is change. Okay. So first year, then month, and then date, like that. So I will here set 2010, 12th month, and 20 date. So let's save it and let's execute it. Okay. So 2010 December 20, that the day that date day was a Monday. So like that. And also Python is used to load a date dataset into it, as like this example. This example is going to load a dataset, that is a date, the value I have given here, that is going to be it load into P1 variable. So like that there is a many applications are there. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.